Well, like I told you when we first started talking about this and learning about this stuff, there's like a million ways to do this. So you just gotta pick the one that you're super comfy with,
Hmm.
and then just beat it into the ground.
The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, March 14th, 2025. And you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, global markets saw a boost in sentiment following a strong session in Chinese equities overnight, which helped stabilize the recent market turbulence. The US dollar showed mixed performance against its peers, with the British pound softening after weak GDP data and the Japanese yen weighed down by Rengo data showing wage hikes below expectations. In bond markets, UK gilts surged on soft growth data, while Japanese government bonds gained following Rengo's report. Meanwhile, spot gold hit a new record high above $3,000 per ounce amid heightened geopolitical uncertainty, while crude oil and base metals also benefited from improved risk appetite. Looking ahead, key events include the U.S. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey, potential executive orders from Donald Trump, Fitch's review of France's credit rating, and the expiration of U.S. government funding. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you found this helpful.
Here are the currency pairs for today. Aussie New Zealand Dollar is in the zone. We are looking for a short sweet spot to set up. Aussie US Dollar also in the zone, except this time we're looking for a long sweet spot to set up. Euro Canadian Dollar, wow, still hyperextended. Probably same here. Yep, still hyperextended. New Zealand US Dollar in the zone, looking for a long sweet spot to form. Singapore Dollar, Swiss Franc in the zone, waiting for a short setup. USD Canadian Dollar in the zone, waiting for a short setup. US Dollar, Swiss Franc in the zone, waiting for a short setup. All right, now moving on to our back to basics. All right, today we're going to talk about Bollinger Bands. Are you familiar with these, Dave?
Yeah, basically, if you need to lose weight, you say Bollinger Bands.
Oh, no, those are called Spanx. So what Bollinger Bands are, they're actually named after a dude, John Bollinger. John Bollinger was the inventor of Bollinger Bands back in the 1980s. Basically, what these are is the center line is a simple moving average, usually
Gotcha.
20 period moving average.
Okay.
The exterior lines are usually two standard deviations away from the center line.
Okay. I gotcha.
There's a few reasons why people use this band. One, they help to identify the trend pretty easily, and where the lines come together gives you a heads up before a breakout. Whenever you see it pinch, like usually what happens after that is you get some kind of breakout. Oh, the other thing that people use them for is for long and short entries, and I can show you that. So usually what they are looking for is for it to go outside the line and then come back in for a short, and then the opposite for a long. Go outside the line and then come back in for a short. Well, like I told you when we first started talking about this and learning about this stuff, there's like a million ways to do this. So you just gotta pick the one that you're super comfy with
Mm-hmm.
and then just beat it into the ground.
Exactly.
Until you
Ride that for all it's
right.
worth.
That's all I have for today.